your camera on?
Yeah, it's recording right now. That's a big one. Oh no, my light went out. Okay, do one in the dark. Put a soundtrack on. No, I feel bad about myself now.
Light his head.
Yeah, don't
kill him yet.
Yeah.
Just light his head so that it looks cool. This looks like the Punisher.
Dude, this whole thing's gonna.
Corey's not gonna appreciate this.
I want it to look like the Punisher.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
That is kind of awesome, though.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that hose is gonna end up being a good idea.
Yeah, you can kind of aim the flame. It's kind of cool.
It's relatively cool.
He's dead.
Oh my
Holy
God.
shit.
He's been punished.
Well, don't have to mow that section.
What happened? I get it. Put it against the LP.
Oh!
Yeah, that's not a good idea. I would not do that to the book anymore. It's a Bob Seger torch.
Look.
Yeah, the book's no fun.
Yeah. Okay, we've had it with it. Had our fun.
There, oh yeah.
You filled that chamber with that stuff. Did you see it spray
Yeah,
out?
really let that get some heat going to that guitar.
I only paid $700 for that thing.
That's awesome.
That is totally badass.
I think that's your cue, Boaz. You're supposed to fill the CD chamber.
Clean the CD player. It's all right.
Watch out for that snake right there.
Oh my God! I feel like I'm burning.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Okay. You need more shit on there. You need more shit.
Yeah.
Put more shit. Empty that can.
Empty the can.
Yeah. Open up the tape deck. Is there a tape for it? That's good. Sean's ready. Speakers.
Oh! I'm ready.
Thank you, physics. Boaz, have any hair left?
Let that son of a bitch have it now. Look at the speaker. Play me a song.
You're good.
More coffee, Kramer.